So now when we look at the first video, okay, here, let's look at the video here.
Tissue should be removed. This process helps prevent the need for a second procedure for the same issue. The surgeon collects a tissue sample.
So they're putting something on the tissue section,
where it is quickly frozen for sectioning, staining, and diagnosis. The pathologist examines the sample to identify malignancies and assess whether
then they're putting it in the machine,
complete removal of the malignancy. The doctors now know,
and then they're taking this out, and the tissue is here. It is in the eyes. What is this processing called? What is this method called? Okay, so this is your frozen section. Now let's come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following media is used to embed the tissue in frozen section? So everybody should answer, okay? So which of the following is media used to embed tissue in the frozen section? So now, okay, so now here is the shocking news. So for frozen sections, we never use paraffin. Okay, so paraffin is used for routine embedding. So when you put the tissue in formalin, only then we will use paraffin. So paraffin is never used for frozen section. So that's the first point home that you're going to take. So this, what are we going to use for frozen section? It is called optimum cutting temperature compound. So this is called OCT. That is the embedding media for frozen section. In earlier days, we used to use Canada's balsam, Celadon, but now the best thing is OCT. What is OCT? So OCT is actually a water soluble compound. You want something to be frozen, so you want a water soluble embedding media. And okay, so dekho Vivek, it's important to know. So that is why. So but I told you, no. So more you see, more you learn. Now you will never forget it. So it is made up of polyethylene glycol and polyvinyl alcohol, and this supports the media in cryostat. So the instrument which is shown here is called cryostat, because it freezes the tissue. Okay, it freezes the tissue. The next question that they ask you is that we know embedding media is OCT. Now, what is the instrument called? Cryostat, because it cuts the tissue in the cold. So that's why it's cryostat. Next question. What is the temperature of cryostat? So the temperature that we keep is -20 to -30, so that it is immediately frozen. What is the main indication? Margin assessment. The most important thing is margin assessment. So whenever you're doing surgery and you want to see whether I should proceed further or not, you have to send these margins for your frozen section. So that is very, very important that you have to understand. Okay.